Ik heb hier. Ik doe. Ja, die is vol. Dus.
Cova is way over there, huh? You're following her? And I'm following you. All right, I'll follow you. Good girl. I'm trying to be very quiet. You're going this way now? Oh, careful. Where are we going, dude? You're headed towards the field. It's a tree stump. It's old, rotted, and hollowed out. You think you could fall in? Maybe. You're going to find some bugs in there for sure. No. No, you changed your mind? You don't want to go that way. Oh, the sheep got out, huh? That's what that is. Let's see if we can zoom in on them. Yep. There they are. You see them?
They eat the dog. Yes, I see it now.
All right, let's keep hiking. We'll let the sheep do their own thing.
Bye-bye, sheep.
Bye-bye, sheep.
Hey, what is that? Hey, I see. Okay. What is this? What is this?
It's a hole.
A hole?
Looks like there might be a den or two here.
Oh. Oh, you're going there. Oh, for no water out here. And see another box. Why you put water? It's good. That's a rock baby.
Yeah, there are lots of rocks everywhere. Lots of little trees too. Look, these are all little oak trees. Yep, all little baby oaks.
It's no justice. And guys, oh, come on, it's spicy. Very hard. I like that. Daddy!
What, cova? With the opening? There's an opening in the forest. This is a good hiking path, man. You're picking a good path. You're welcome. Another opening you had to the other field? We're going to have to turn around and head back soon or head up into the woods. Well, then we got to turn right. Yep, that way, right up in there. We got to go that way. This is kind of far away. You're doing good hiking though, man. I'm proud of you. Well, you're climbing over the mountain. Don't go that way. Come this way. That way. You got to pick the easier path, man. No, that's definitely not the easier path. Yep, we got to turn, man. This way. Nope, that way. Yep, that way. There you go. That way, right there. Wait, you want to go to the corner? You're going to have to cut down this way then, right here. That'll be the quickest way. Yeah, definitely. Yep, this way. You don't want to walk through the piles of logs though, man. And then go that way, right there. Right through here. Yeah, there you go. Follow this trail. Whoa. You got it. Oh, be careful. That one's got pickers on it. Where's a butterfly? I didn't see it. It was that fast? The field. We don't want to go out there. No. Nope. Turn. This way. Come on, dude. Well, the house is the other way, so you're definitely going the wrong way. All right, let's go that way. We got to go back up through the trail. I heard shooting too. Whoa. Oh, yep. Deer scat. This way. Try to go through right there, or we can go through up that way. Yeah, this way. I did not pick the worst way. You got to go through there. Yep, that way, right there. Yeah, this way, here. Right through there. You were trying to go over big logs, and now you're worried about little branches. Right down the deer trail. It's almost rainy? No, I don't think it's almost rainy. Clouds going what way? Those big white clouds over there? Those aren't rain clouds, silly. You're real far away.
I need to stop. I need to stop.
All right, that's good.
I need to stop. Not the bed.
You're out of breath?
Yes. You're the bed too.
I'm out of breath too? No, I'm not out of breath.
Not the bed.
I can see how you're out of breath though. You want a drink?
Yes, I want that thing.
You need me to unlock that for you? You got it here. I'll hold you out.
Okay.
Good?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, my rock.
Oh, I carry the rock?
Yes. It's super heavy.
It's super heavy. Well, that's why I told you shouldn't have grabbed it in the first place. You're the one that chose to carry it. Oh, yeah?